Hi there, this is Ranjit from tech2bus.com and welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Geekyranjit. And in this video we're going to do the first looks and overview of this LG Optimus G, and this is a high-end Android phone by LG and it has some very impressive specs. And also look at the lock screen, the way it unlocks. It gives you a preview of what is inside. So very nice skin that LG has done. It's going to be a little bit different if you're used to other skins. For example, if you move here like this, it has that 3D effect and everything is really smooth. And the specs also on this phone are very good. It comes with a 1.5 GHz quad-core S4 Pro processor. The RAM is 2 GB and the internal storage provided in this model is 32 GB. Though it does not have a micro SD card, but 32 GB should be good enough. And out of the box, it comes with Android version 4.1. Let me show you the same. And if you go to about the phone and look at the software information, as you can see, it says that it comes with Android version 4.1.2, and LG has said that it will get future Android updates also. Let's look at the storage. Let's go back. The internal storage, as I told, is 32 GB, but you get approximately about 24.5 GB of space for you. And I feel that's plenty. And the good thing is that the entire space is internal storage. So that way you can use this entire storage for apps, etc. So it will be great for gamers because these days high-end games can be up to 2 GB each. So regarding storage, you shouldn't have a problem. Also, as if you notice, the screen is really good. It sports a 4.7-inch screen and it's a 720p HD screen. The resolution specifically is 768 by 1280 with an impressive PPI of 318. Let me show you the screen now. And as you can see, the screen quality is excellent, I have to say. It's really good and LG has done a great job with the screen. And again, if you hold this button, you get the multitasking tray and just look at it. I was just testing the phone. I have so many apps that are continuously running. Then also the performance of the phone is really good. And we do get the auto brightness sensor, as you can see. And I have to say it does a very good job. So now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network and let's quickly just fire up the web browser and just look at the scrolling speed, etc. And the pinch to zoom. It's very, very smooth. Let's go to our website, that's tech2bus.com. And just noticed how quickly it loaded. Again, let's see the pinch to zoom gesture. As I said, it's again very good. Let's open up the story, that's Xperia Z story. And this page has two videos that are YouTube videos. Let's see if it can play those. For example, let's play back this. Let's increase the volume first. I'll keep it on max and let's try to play back this video. Welcome to Geekyranjit YouTube channel. This is the Sony Xperia Z, and in this video we're going to look at the camera performance of the Xperia Z. The rear-facing camera is a 13 megapixel. So again, as you can see, it can play back content without any issues. So in terms of web browsing, you shouldn't have any problem. Coming to the apps, LG has installed quite a few apps and they have done some customization. For example, if you open the app tray here, as you can see, we get a lot of options here. And the good thing is that you have this edit option. From here, you can quickly just set what hotkeys you want. For example, if you hit this, you can enable or disable options. Also, another thing is that it does support Miracast. So that's a great thing. Let me go back. And if you notice this Qslide apps, these are also really interesting. For example, let me fire up this memo app. And what this does is it just opens this app like this and you can jot down notes like this. This is a test and you can just make it transparent and minimize this. And let's say you can do your browsing, etc. And you just want to come to the note or whatever, just click here and you can come to this. Also, as you can see, I find this calculator app also really nice because you can do calculations like this and hide it away. So again, very nice implementation and it works great. So that's one addition that LG did. So these are some of the Qslide apps that you can see here. And again, if you see, we have these touch type capacitive buttons at the bottom back. This is the home and this is for the menu key. And let me now give you a quick physical overview of this phone. On the top we have this 3.5mm headphone jack. We also have a secondary noise cancellation mic over here, and this is the power key, and it's very tactile, I have to say. Nothing else over here. And on the bottom we have the microphone, the micro USB slot that will be used for charging and syncing, and on this end is the micro SIM tray. You just put a pin and this comes out, and on this end again we have the volume rocker. Moving to the back, it has a 13 megapixel camera which can shoot video in 1080p and also do autofocusing, and it also has the LED flash, LG branding, and at the bottom we have the grill for the speakerphone. Again, on the front also we have a front facing camera by which you can do video calls, and the nice earpiece. It also has a LED notification light, so if you get SMS etc, it glows. So again, you will find all the features that you want. Also it is NFC enabled. So let's look at some of the apps that are pre-installed. Polaris Office 4 was pre-installed on this. Again, we have some LG specific apps like remote call service, and we also have this memo. Yeah, I forgot about that. This is an interesting thing. Let me go back. This quick memo, this is an LG specific app, and here you can just jot down notes. For example, let's say I want to just note down this number 2, 3, 4, something like that, and you can just quickly just jot down notes and you can save it. So that's an interesting thing. Let's rub it. You can use the rubber and rub it. So again, this quick memo application is also there, and you can access it from anywhere. Just swipe here and hit here. So that's nice. Let's look at other apps that LG has installed. We get a video editor. We also have the dictionary and the file manager pre-installed. Also, let's quickly look at the camera right now, and as you can see, let me fire it up, and we do get the standard features like touch to focus, and as you can see, it takes the snaps pretty quickly. Actually, I'll be testing the camera a little bit more, and actually I'll be making a full dedicated video. Also, you do get these voice commands. For example, you just talk to the phone and it says, for example, cheese. So example, I just said cheese and it took the shot. So we get these options here also, and it can record video again in 1080p also. So I'll be making a dedicated video regarding the camera performance of this phone, so be sure to check that out. Even the GPU provided on this phone is very good. It's Adreno 320. So again, you should have very good results. For example, I ran the Ninamark test earlier, and as you can see, we got a very impressive score of almost 60 FPS. So I'll be making a dedicated video regarding the gaming performance. I'll also be making a full in-depth review for this Optimus G phone. So if you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. That's it for now for this quick overview of this LG Optimus G, and I hope to see you in my next video.